Okay, ladies, who's excited about our Wear, Share, and Connect Plunder Kit? This is so exciting. This is an amazing opportunity that you're gonna want to go ahead and share with every single person that you know. Now, first things first, this promotion runs August 1st through August 12th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. Don't you forget it. You have 12 whole days to go shout from the rooftops your love for Plunder and share this opportunity. Now, we have the US kit and we have the Canadian kit. The US kit is $49. The Canadian kit is $59. That's the difference between the US and Canada. Now, in these kits, you're going to receive one of each of these, a full-size catalog, a mini catalog, and an opportunity brochure. Then you're going to receive the Adelia earrings, which is a pack of 2 right here. Great, go with anything. Then the Fearless necklace. Your ladies are going to receive the Fearless bar necklace, which we made just for our Wear, Share, Connect promotion. On top of all of that, they're going to receive an amazing sisterhood, which we all know Plunder has an amazing sisterhood. They're going to also receive access to our Plunder portal and our training, all of our news and updates and information and videos that we have galore in there. Any of our marketing materials and digital assets, including our model photos and imagery and videos for them to share on social media, and access to stylist exclusives. So I bet you're asking, who is this kit good for? Who's interested in it? Who should you share it with? This kit is perfect for the generation that wants to do everything digitally. It's also great for past hostesses and customers, and anyone who may have experienced interest in becoming a stylist in the past. And then, of course, anyone who's fashion forward, thinking, loves accessories, loves jewelry, loves that whole industry. They could get really excited about this. And don't forget, there are plenty of people who want to make additional cash for the holidays before the end of the year. How you can share this is by making sure that you share your why and your excitement about the brand and the things that you love about Plunder. Be authentic, talk about it. It exudes from you. People will fall in love with what you love because this is about relationship building and they love you. So we are so excited to share our Wear, Share, Connect kit with you. We cannot wait to see what you do. There will be documentation in the news and updates tile in Plunder Portal, hashtag Plunder Portal. It's in there for you to go ahead and review that goes alongside this video if you have any additional questions. So until next time, we cannot wait to see what you can do in the first 12 days of August.